What's up guys? So today I have another unboxing impressions videos for you guys, and today I'll be doing that on this product, the Combo Touch. This is a keyboard case accessory for the iPad 7th generation, so you know, like the lower end iPad, which I got a few days ago, which I unboxed on this channel, so go check that video out if you want to see that. Yeah, I got this this case here because I wanted to, you know, complete the full package of what this iPad can do. You know, I already have the pencil. I didn't get to make a cool video on the pencil when I first got it because I actually got it bundled with the iPad, so this is my first time being able to unbox an accessory for the product itself. So very excited to check this thing out. I'm expecting it to make the iPad feel like a laptop, how it looks like here. So without further ado, let's just get this thing opened and let's see what's up inside of it. All right, so there you go. It's weird because there was like no sticker or anything on this. This kind of just opened, and I got this brand new. I don't know what the idea here is, but yeah, this just opened like that and I just opened it. But hey, less things better for me, right? So first thing we got here is the keyboard. Here's the keyboard. That's cool. I've seen videos on this thing. It's weird to see it in person. Definitely feels, yeah, these keys are like more, it's not like the butterfly keys. I've seen people say the butterfly keys. These are not the butterfly keys. If you know what the butterfly keys are, those are the keys from the MacBook 16 through some, I forget, I think it's a little bit after, I'm not sure, but those keys, that keyboard was so bad. I hated that. This is not like that. This is more, I don't even know how to explain it. There's definitely travel. The other one didn't have travel. That was a problem with those butterfly keys. They did not have travel at all, but this definitely has some travel. And it has the touchpad, the mouse pad here on the bottom, trackpad, I guess. Clickable. Not vibration, and yeah, you can't touch the top, it doesn't click in, which people say they have such a big problem with that. I don't. I mean, that's kind of how a lot of laptops are. So there's that. And yeah, the texture of it, people say this feels like a jean or a nylon. This feels like styrofoam. Like I can see where it looks like a different texture, like some type of fabric. I mean, it kind of feels like it is, but it has, I don't know, it feels like a styrofoamish fabric. I don't know, that's the way I feel about it. But yeah, let's see what else is in the box. All right, so then we have this part, which is the case. I guess this is the, yeah, this is the kickstand right here. See that? It's cool. Take that. Let me take this white part off. Yeah, this material feels a little bit more like actual fabric, but it still feels kind of the same as the fabric or texture that's on the keyboard part, but it feels good. I like it. All right, all that's left in the box is just papers and stuff, so we don't need it. Okay, here we have the case. Yeah, I'm very excited about this product because it's like, this is the iPad I have, and yeah, you know, I've been having it for a few days now, and it's a thing where I got a new screen protector on it, which is cool. Has like that Paperlike feel, which I'm actually like, it's not an actual Paperlike, the brand, but I bought one off of Amazon and it actually works really, really well. And I'm actually surprised of how good this feels because I thought I was just getting a matte screen protector. It's like, no, it's a matte screen protector, but it actually has a lot of texture to it that makes it feel like paper, which it does. It feels really rugged and I like it. But that's the only protection I had on this thing, was just that screen protector, which really wasn't a protection. You know, I'd go with more of a tempered glass screen if I wanted an actual protection. I just wanted it for the actual drawing and stuff. This device is very thin in my opinion, so it is kind of hard to travel around with because this is the older model. This is not a Pro, so it has that like rounded edge, and I feel like the squared edges are a little bit easier to hold. And yeah, I don't have a kickstand or nothing, but this product doesn't take care of all that. So let's put it in here and let's see how it feels, you know. Slid in very easily and pretty flush. Okay, there it is. This is how it looks like inside the case. And also has this little thing here for the pencil, which is awesome because again, the pencil is just always loose and I have nowhere to put it. And it's, yeah, tight fit. I like that. I'm loving this. I'm definitely loving this. This is looking really cool. And so that's the kickstand. You're not gonna open the kickstand up and prop this thing up. It kind of sucks I don't really have a second angle to show you guys everything, but that'll be coming in the review of this product. I do plan on reviewing this product itself. I feel like it's a substantial enough accessory for the iPad that changes the game a lot. Yeah, I think it warrants its own review separate from the iPad itself, but it'll all be included in the iPad's review, so stick around for that. Okay, so let's do the thing here, right? Let's connect the iPad case to the this. So there you go. I have it connected. Here's my new laptop. It says go to the App Store. Okay, I'll go to the App Store. Yeah, people said that this adds some weight to it, and I agree. People made it seem a lot more crazier than I see it. Like, it's not that much heavier, because I felt like the iPad itself was just very light anyways, and I feel like it needed some weight to it. Yeah, not bad. Oh wow, and it's magnetized when it closes. It's cool. I closed it up, so here it is. It's so weird. Yeah, this feels, it's strange, because it reminds me of the old MacBook that I had years ago. Like, kind of thick. Yeah, it definitely is thick, you know. Definitely adds some weight. It definitely is a little bit more thicker. Yeah, I'm very excited to have this product and see like how it changes my workflow and how I use this, because I've just been using touchscreen the whole time, and there's definitely like, I have this app called Notability where I'm like, where, you know, you can write all these notes or whatever, and I have notes in the Apple Notes that I want to transfer over to here, but I've waited on that for this keyboard because I feel like it'll just be easier to do that with the actual keyboard. So very excited to see how that works. This product looks really nice. I mean, it looks like it's a protective very protective case. Like, this is really thick. Like, I feel like I could just drop this thing and it'd be perfectly fine. But yeah, very excited to see how it changes, how I just said, how it changes everything. And if you guys are interested in getting this product for yourselves, I will drop a link in the description of this video, or probably in the comments. That will be an associate link. So if you guys want to buy it, consider using that link, because it helps me out and I really appreciate that. So I just want to hop back in here real quick, because I've been using the product for like the past hour or so, and wow, it's, you know, there's not my full review or anything. This is just my first impressions, but from first impressions, this thing is like game changer, and it like truly changes this device to something totally different, which is so interesting. Wow, like, it's really crazy. I think the most notable thing is how much it does feel like a laptop, and it's just a strange thing, because it's doing exactly what I want it to do. It's like it feels like a laptop, but it's not a laptop, because it's still an iPad, you know. So like, I get notifications from Twitter and I can just reply to them right there, but I'm also in my notes transferring documents back and forth. But then I also could open my editing program and it's right there, and it's crazy, you know. I don't know, it's very cool, and I just wanted to let you guys know that first impressions right now are pretty positive. So very excited to see how this all goes. So yeah, the Logitech Combo Touch for the iPad 7th generation. Very cool. That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a like. If you guys have any questions for the review or any questions on the product right now, make sure you guys leave a comment. And if you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe, because I'll be making a lot more videos like this, and reviews of tech and all these different other fun things that I like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.